Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bella. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I will teach you how to talk about your daily routine, but also how to ask somebody else about theirs. Also, we have a little look at some prepositions. Präpositionen matching this topic. Are you ready? Then let's start. Tagesablauf und Termine. Tagesablauf is your daily routines und Termine are your appointments. Part 1, because I want to start with the daily routine, the Tagesablauf. So how does your day start? Exactly, with getting up from bed in the morning. Aufstehen, to get up. Aufstehen. Wann stehst du am Montag auf? When do you get up on Monday? Ich stehe um 6 Uhr auf. And the quick answer would be 6 Uhr. You guys see? Aufstehen is so-called trennbares Verb. Wann stehst du am Montag auf? Frühstücken, to have breakfast or to eat breakfast. Wann frühstückst du am Sonntag? When do you have breakfast on Sunday? Ich frühstücke um 10 Uhr. Quick answer again. Um 10 Uhr. Arbeiten, to work. Wann gehst du am Dienstag auf die Arbeit? When do you go to work on Tuesday? Ich gehe um 8 Uhr auf die Arbeit. Quickly, um 8 Uhr. Another question could be, von wann bis wann arbeitest du? From when to when are you working? Ich arbeite von 8 bis 17 Uhr. Or the quick answer, von 8 bis 17 Uhr. Mittagspause machen, to have your lunch break. Wann machst du Mittagspause? When do you have your lunch break? Ich mache um 12 Uhr Mittagspause. Or quick one again, um 12 Uhr. And sometimes you might even say 12 Uhr mittags. Feierabend. Feierabend machen. Closing time from work. Bis wann arbeitest du? Till when do you work? Ich arbeite bis 17 Uhr. Or the quick one, bis 17 Uhr. Another question could be, wann machst du Feierabend? When do you have your closing time? Ich mache 17 Uhr Feierabend. Quick one again. 17 Uhr. Dinner time. Abendessen. Wann isst du abends? When do you eat in the evening? Ich esse 6 Uhr. Or quick one again. 6 Uhr. Ausgehen. That means to go out. To go out in the club, in the pub, in the cinema. Wann gehst du am Samstag aus? When do you go out on Saturday? Ich gehe 10 Uhr aus. Quick one again. 10 Uhr. And you guys see again, ausgehen is a so-called trennbares Verb. Wann gehst du am Samstag aus? And it's nighttime. We go to sleep or we go to bed. Schlafen gehen. Wann gehst du schlafen? When do you go to sleep? Or when do you go to bed? Ich gehe 11 Uhr schlafen. Oder, the quick one again, 11 Uhr. So guys, we will use the preposition when we're talking about an exact time. For example, 12 o'clock. So plus time. Plus Zeit. We will use the preposition am when we're talking about a day. Am plus, for example, Montag, Monday, Dienstag, Tuesday, Mittwoch, Wednesday, Donnerstag, Thursday, Freitag, Friday, Samstag, Saturday, Sonntag, Sunday. If we're talking about a day, we will use the preposition am. Am plus day. Am plus Tag. Now we are having a look at the sign of our Hausarzt, our GP. When is his surgery open? Wann ist die Praxis offen? Let's read the opening times. Montag, Dienstag und Donnerstag von 8 bis 12 Uhr und von 13 bis 18 Uhr. Mittwoch von 8 bis 12 Uhr und Freitag von 9 bis 13 Uhr. So guys, can you answer me the following question? Wann ist am Montag Sprechstunde? When is the surgery open on Monday? Von 8 bis 12 Uhr und von 13 bis 18 Uhr. Well done. And another one. Wann ist die Praxis am Freitag geöffnet? When is the surgery open on a Friday? Von 9 bis 13 Uhr. So you see guys, when we're talking about the so-called Zeitspanne or Zeitraum, that means periods of time, we will use von a particular time to a particular time. Von bis. Von 8 Uhr bis 12 Uhr. You will often see it when it comes to Arbeitszeiten, working times, Öffnungszeiten, opening times, Sprechstunden, that means opening times in a doctor's surgery, or in Telefonzeiten, that means particular times whereby you can call an office. Now, let's do a little exercise, eine kleine Übung. I already wrote down the words that are missing in the gaps. You just needed to match it to the right gap. Sounds easy? It is, guys. So let's start with the first example. Von wann, bla 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 bla, wann machst du Mittagspause? Von wann, bla 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 bla, wann machst du Mittagspause? From when to when are you doing or are we having your lunch break? Exactly, guys. Von wann bis wann machst du Mittagspause? Did you guys get that right? Next one. David geht, bla 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 bla, 11 schlafen. David geht, bla 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 bla, 11 schlafen. David goes to bed by 11 o'clock. David geht 11 schlafen. You guys know when we are talking about a particular time. Plus time. Let's have a look at the next one. Bla 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 bla. Frühstückst du am Sonntag? Bla 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 bla. Frühstückst du am Sonntag? When do you have breakfast on Sunday? Yes, guys, we are looking for the so-called W-Fragewort. Wann, exactly. Wann frühstückst du am Sonntag? Gehst du, bla 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 bla, Freitag mit mir ins Kino? Gehst du, bla 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 bla, Freitag mit mir ins Kino? Are you going to the cinema with me on Friday? Exactly. Gehst du am Freitag mit mir ins Kino? You guys know am plus day. Bla 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 bla. Wann arbeitest du? Bla 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 bla. Wann arbeitest du? Till when do you work? Exactly. Bis wann arbeitest du? Bis wann arbeitest du? Well done, guys. So, guys, can you think of any other thing that you're doing in your daily routine? Hast du noch andere Beispiele? Then leave them in the comments down below. And don't forget, when we're talking about the day, and when we're talking about the exact time. I hope to see you in my next video when we have a look at how to make appointments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that now. Don't forget to hit the like button, and I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, guys, bye bye.